Huh?
Another video?
Of course, man. Come on. We're doing random shit. It's just plain freaking farmland. It's or whatever, like a ranch. It's awesome. Okay. Don't tell me it's the end of the road.
Another county.
And county maintenance.
And this is the ranch.
Shooting Iron Ranch. Let's go. Oh, it says
Which
that's
way?
private. We can go left. It's not private. Go left. Go left.
Shit, those dogs are like loose, man. Leopard.
Harrison Ford has his house somewhere here.
Really?
Yeah. His ranch is somewhere here.